to Daytime Live. It's Friday, and I'm super excited to be with you guys. How y'all doing? You good? Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, at TVJ_Daytime Live, or you can stream us live on onespotmedia.com. And for those of you who don't know, we're also on YouTube, so you can watch back episodes of Daytime Chat and Daytime Buzz. Now, if you look to my right, I am joined by the gorgeous, yay, Craigie T! In the
Hi, what's up,
house!
everybody? I'm happy to be here, Nisha. It's cool, man. We have a really nice show today. Everything set up nice. Well,
Well,
all right, so hold on. I'm kind of nervous. So you have to understand. Can I take a little time? You
But
understand?
you see, when you look like you, honey, you don't have to worry.
No,
Don't
man,
be nervous. Just stand
cool,
there and
man.
be,
No,
be gorgeous.
I want to tell you that pride is at the top of my list today because,
Okay.
like, Elaine Thompson just beat everybody. The other
Yeah,
day,
she did.
as far as
she did.
she wore flat sneakers. And runway left everybody in London in the Diamond League
I know.
anniversary. It's
And
crazy.
everybody was all like a flutter because it appears that she was wearing just some regular sneakers. But what she said was in an interview, she said that actually they were made specifically for her because she has an Achilles tendon injury. So she has these shoes made. They have a little bit of spikes, but not the normal kind of spikes. But to everybody, it looks like she was just running in sneakers.
But I would imagine at that level that shoes are always made for you. Because you
you
compete
think so?
at a
Everybody have their
level.
own shoes?
Of course, I think that shoes are
Okay.
custom fitted to the feet of the runners. I think that has to be done at that level.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, like as Jamaicans, like we're accustomed to working with imperfect conditions. You know what I mean? We're not going to make a little
Yes,
cut
we
stop
are.
us from doing what we need to do. You
Have
know,
you seen our tracks?
you know what I
I'm
mean?
just
So
saying.
as far as we're concerned, like to us, of course, it's a big deal. You know, she won, and everybody's proud, and everybody's happy that she won. But to us, it's just another thing. You know, everybody
It's
gets
something else she
crazy
did.
over it. But you know, really and
Yeah.
truly, as far as she was concerned, she said, "Boy, you know, you just do what you need to do."
And with
she did it.
Shelly, so I'm glad that she's stepping up.
Yeah,
I mean,
man.
she's been stepping up. Don't get me wrong, she's been doing a great job for a long time.
She named
But it's
Thompson.
good to see her
She named
doing
Thompson.
quite well. Stop it.
She have a good
Stop
name, a
it,
good
stop
start.
it. So what about, I hear something, I was on Twitter earlier this week, and Nick Cannon apparently is
Oh, a new
dating.
girlfriend.
And he has a new girlfriend apparently, and she puts pictures of him and her on Instagram, and apparently persons have called her, according to a media outlet, they refer to her as a regular girl.
But what does that even mean?
A lot of people think that they are referring to the fact that she's not mixed race.
Oh, that she's dark
That
skin,
she's different
black.
to his usual type, which tends to be more of a lighter, brighter skin complexion. What's your thoughts on that? We were talking about this earlier, and Craigie T, he was quite impassioned about stuff. So now on camera,
No, well, I think
what's your thoughts about that?
as far as
They
relationships,
said she's
are-
regular. See, we have her on screen right now.
She's beautiful.
She's stunning.
She's beautiful. Where's she from? You know where she's from?
I don't know where she's from. Where's she from? She's stunning. I know she was in a music video with Pharrell.
Right, right.
She was the girl that was at the front. You know, the dark
She
girl
was the
in the
lead girl.
Pharrell video, the lead female.
But she looks like a lead girl.
She's beautiful. How can you call her regular? And that's my point with what is happening right now in the entertainment industry, where it comes to our black entertainers dating
But-
mixed race / white
People like to judge and
females.
decide a little bit too much because I don't think that's for anybody else to choose or to decide except Nick. I mean, his relationship choice is his own business. You know. what I
Yeah,
mean?
but he's famous, so
what I
he
mean.
lost the right to have his own opinions long time ago. Now, we all have our say now, right? But the wonderful thing though about Nick Cannon, I have to give him a shout out for this, is that he calls her
his queen.
his queen.
Yeah, man, and rightfully
Which-
so.
Yeah, she's stunning.
Rightfully so.
But my thing is that how can you look at someone like that and call her regular? Some other persons on social media have called her basic.
What gives you the right to look at anybody and call them racist or basic?
Call them
Call them basic or regular.
regular. I agree.
Nothing gives you the right to
agree.
make judgments like that. I mean,
Well, unless they really are like, I'm joking.
nah, man, not
I'm
go so
joking.
what. I mean, I think
joking.
that people have genius levels and levels of beauty that are unlocked by different things, and I think that
So what
she's
you're
just one
saying
of
is
them.
basically beauty's in the eye of the beholder.
Definitely, for
Which
sure.
I disagree, because social media, we all have a say. 2017,
No,
what we
man,
think
man,
goes.
man, I see some weddings, I see some man married to some people, man, I tell you what.
I hear
Most-
you. I hear you.
Yeah,
I
man.
hear you. I hear you. I hear you. So what about also, whilst we're on the whole social media thing,
Yeah.
Nicki Minaj yesterday or a couple of days ago, posted a picture, a little emoji.
It's not even a picture, yeah.
It's a
the
little emoji
And everybody
about
went wild.
people think basically it's a little baby emoji, and people are now saying that they believe that Nicki Minaj is pregnant. What's your thoughts on that?
Well, the thing is, I don't think the emoji was anything.
The little baby emoji.
Yeah, I know it, man. I don't think I saw the tweet. I don't
Just
think
that
that
little thing, and now she's pregnant.
No, that's not what got them excited. What got them excited was when she actually went through and liked all of the tweets that referred to her being pregnant, possibly being pregnant.
I didn't hear that
So
part
it's
of the
like
story.
it's like they're creating the excitement on
creating
purpose.
the buzz where there is no buzz.
Well, we don't know.
I don't know. I don't know about that. But did you hear about the dancehall artist? What happened to her? When
Bridges.
she was, yeah, did you hear about that?
Definitely, I did, and I think that that's a very serious situation. I think that.
So tell us what happened.
She was apparently trying to get some chicken one Friday night. I don't know if you've ever tried to get pan chicken on a Friday night on Red Hills
Road, yes,
yeah, so
often.
It ram like a dance, like regularly. You know what I mean? So she turned off the road. She was trying to get in. This is the story I heard from based on her YouTube post. So
Right.
she turned off of the road and met up on a person who was parked waiting for chicken, I assume. And he was blocking the way.
Yeah.
She was there waiting for him to move. He was saying that he was going to move. She needed to move. She couldn't move because the traffic was moving behind her.
Because you can't reverse onto a
The main road.
people. Okay, it's illegal.
You're not supposed
right,
you're not
just
supposed
saying.
to. So
Yeah.
so he came out and him say, move. This is a problem that a lot of people face, a lot of motorists face. Like it happen all the time in Jamaica. So him come out and him decide say, him and tell her say she have to move, and she say she not move, she can't move. So
Long story short.
she saw him go back in the car and him come out and him start stab up her tire. She come out and she got stabbed. Like he
So
stabbed
apparently
her
he stabbed her in the head.
in the head,
and
she
fell backwards
and
and
hurt
hurt her shoulder. But the issue with that story for me is the fact that she couldn't go to the police station because the police officers that came on the scene took her to the hospital,
Yeah.
right? But then they later said that they couldn't press charges because she herself didn't go to the police station to
Yeah,
press
she didn't
charges.
then. So-
but they took her to the hospital.
I think both her and the man that did the stabbing went to the police station, and then they took her from the police station
Yeah.
and carried her to the hospital
Yeah.
before she made her statement.
I hear about that. Oh my gosh.
So he was not held
Uh-huh.
at the station at
At
all
the station.
because she didn't make a report.
crazy.
That's crazy.
Crazy kitty.
No man, but they must have a way. They must have his. They must have his name. They must have his information.
Yeah.
So
well,
something
we're
must be
going
able
to
be
follow
done.
that story as it develops. Lots are buzzing. Everything is buzzing right
Yeah,
now. But you guys have to join us after the break when we come back with Daytime Chat. Join us after the break.